Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a step-by-step process how we can restore missing recycle bin in Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do, this video will be quick. Go right click on here everywhere you want, and under display settings click personalize. And when you're gonna do it, click on the themes. And then you're gonna see related settings, desktop icon, settings, and then when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see the desktop icons, and you want to click on a recycle bin here. That's pretty much it. So you just want to click on it. And thank you very much guys for watching. If this video helped you, definitely write down below in the comments for other people when they would come here that it's helpful. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.